Hello kiddos, so today you are with a sub and it looks like they're going to have teachers come in and sub for you each hour. I did have a sub all scheduled, but I guess not. So yesterday my computer wasn't working, but today it is, or now it is I should say, because it's 4:15 on Tuesday. So I'm making this video for you guys so you can know where to find things. Okay, so here I'm at period 2. It's the same for period 7. I guess not. We'll get period 7 in there. I'll send it to you guys. Okay, so here we are. Miss E's computer's not working, and there was some just blah 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 and some things to do. Okay, political ideologies, wild card today, and please take the notes using the document in the assignment. All right, let's do that. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to class notebook. All right. We don't want to be on the political ideologies web quest. We want to be on political ideologies work for today. And in there, let's move this along. So right here is the PowerPoint. Right here is Mr. Moreno's video. Right here are the guided notes. Open the guided notes, download it, save it to yourself, why did my Word doc not open? Just because I want it to? I don't know. Alright, let's see if I can save it to me. Okay, it's here. There we go. Then we open the Word doc, enable editing, and take our notes. Dun dun dun. You're going to get a little idea of conservatism, liberalism, libertarianism, collectivist. There's the review questions, anything you can say, and then write yourself a summary and take the notes. It's really like a 5 or 6 minute video. You all can individually watch it for yourself, or you can have the teacher play it for you if they can get it to work. All right, if they have access to it. So that's part 1. All right, part 2, back to teams. Then we have part 2. Actually, ladies and gentlemen, don't do part 1 first. Do part 1 second. do the crash course first. Crash course, download the document, save it, open it up. There you go, enable editing. Okay, there's the crash course. It's a lot of yes/no questions, I think. Oh, there we go. You might need to stop that guy. You know how fast he talks, the crash course guy. So let's go back to Teams. So there's the crash course video. Watch the video, do the form. Then, ladies and gentlemen, do Mr. Moreno's. Mr. Moreno references the video throughout his video. Okay? So that's why I'd like you to do the crash course first. Then, last but not least, so look, this is probably, you might need to rewind this and do this a couple times because, you know, he talks fast. But then, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to work as teams working on this puzzle. So here are the categories. You have both liberal and conservative, and then there's a list of issues. Again, open the Word doc. Okay, so in this Word doc are statements, support as a means to reinforce family and community values. Okay, that's one statement. I go back to my Teams page here and I look. Support. Let me make this one smaller and make the other one smaller. Okay. support as a means to reinforce family and community values. That doesn't sound like social issues. So they support it as a means to reinforce family and community values. I don't think... The only thing I can think of is that school prayer, because it's saying like a behavior. I don't think taxes support and reinforce family and community. None of these things say that they would community and family values. I think really that is about school prayer. And I'm guessing that it is conservative. So, conservative. That's what I would say. So, support. I type my opinion right here. Support as a means to reinforce family values. Alright, I didn't write the whole thing. Now, I'm going to scroll down this list because we're in school prayer, and that's the conservative view, I'm sure. Conservatives like family values and religion. And I'm going to look for the liberal opinion on school prayer. Okay? Emphasize cutting spending. Nope, that's not about. Believe government should regulate business. No. Support freedom of choice. No. Feel that taxing. No. Support unfettered competition. Want corporations, want government to keep hands off the economy. Support right to life. Expect government to provide. Favor government mandated rules designed to. Believe the individuals are protected and supported. Want the rich to pay greater taxes. Oppose on the basis of the First Amendment's prohibition of the establishment. Let's see. Prohibition of government's establishment of religion. Okay, there's a statement about religion. School prayer is obviously prayer. It's obviously about religion. And they oppose, liberals oppose it based on the First Amendment and Establishment of Religion Clause. I can type. I can spell. Alright, so we now have the conservative view of school prayer and the liberal view of school prayer typed into the chart, right? So there you go. That's what you're going to do. You're going to look at this document in Word. You're going to look at all the statements. You're going to figure out where they go. Are they a liberal position or a conservative position? There's going to be one of each for each issue, and you're going to put this puzzle together. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's about all. If you have any questions, chat me up on Teams. If you have any questions, just do what you can do. It is a sub day. Have a good one. I will see you guys all on Friday.